my main role here is going to be to build it all down into brass tacks for freshers getting into the market probably this year or the year after this, right? So I'm just going to take you through very basics on what is it that currently the market looks for in analytics professionals and what all the industry really expects out of you, where possibly your strengths are, where the gaps are, where you think you could fit into this, okay? It's a bit of repetition, but I'll just take you quickly through currently most of the activity happening in the analytics space in the Indian context for corporates. There's a whole area of unstructured data analytics which Surya has taken you through. I will not be covering that side because truly the large job market currently, as on say when we say 2012, probably in a year, 2 years to come, there are a lot of opportunities opening up with a lot of analytics on the unstructured data side as well. But this is just taking you through the brass tacks of the steps that organizations take in building and organizing their analytics teams. So, just gives you a perspective of what the team size, the profiles look, and what do organizations really, how they structure, create the analytics teams. So as organizations have, over the last couple of, I'd say more the last decade and a half or two, have become larger, so they need a lot of information. There's a lot of information happening around the space. And everybody is looking at how to manage it's a balancing act. Everybody is within various parts of the organization. And when we're saying organizations, it could be large corporates, it could be government, it could be many other areas as we'll just see. They keep having this whole thing that I need this information. Can I have it now? And what is the type of data I'm working with? Why? And that's a big question. Normally, most business users, and business user need not necessarily be a typical business head, he's always asking this, why can't I get this myself? Why do I have to rely on somebody in IT to provide it to me? And obviously the business head is always looking at how do I deliver an effectiveness. But is this really what the business wants? How do I build a strategy around using the information that my organization is currently capturing? So the organization now looks at, and why does all this take so long to put together? So all organizations, and most of them far more evolved than many of the others, look at the first step of they need to be able to consolidate the data that they have around them, maybe in different platforms. And the key factor that most business users are always terribly worried about, I'm not getting my report fast enough. Can I get my reports much faster? And now, for most of them, looking at, can I make better use of the data that I have with me? So I'm just trying to put this together in the perspective of how organizations are evolving their systems on looking at the data handling capacities. So an enterprise-wide intelligence platform is the first, it's a platform on which we all build our intelligence basis that the organization creates itself. Obviously, the transactional data, which was what is most of the data floating around, that the organization is most of the time interacting with, is available on various other, many different platforms. So the first step that we're all familiar with is to integrate the data. So you create the data warehouses and you work around those. Manage that data. Many organizations, there is a lot of analysis happening, but traditionally it's more on the reporting side, right? So this is, if you look at it holistically, and many of you may be already familiar with it, this is the total analytics cycle. When we talk analytics, when industry is saying analytics, it's not necessarily just stats, it's not just necessarily data warehousing, it has to be all these steps put together. So this is the fundamental block on which the whole analytics platform of an organization is typically built. It has to be built in these manners.